Hey creator, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Welcome to Text for Me, and today we are going to create a ChatGPT account for free. However, we need an email as well as your cell phone number. Okay, it has to be cell phone before this thing work. And by the way, I will have this link below under the video description. When you click on that link, you get to this point. Click on Try ChatGPT. Click on that, and then you have two options, log in or sign up. We are going to sign up for the account for the very first time, okay? So click on sign up, and then I'm going to type in my email, multitaskactivewear@gmail.com, and then I'm going to click on continue, and then password, okay? So you can use the password in here, or you can make your own password. If you want to make your own password, you can, or you can also use that password there. Be sure you click show the password first, and then you make a copy, okay? Make a copy, all your password, and then I'm going to click continue. And once again, verify you are human, because we don't want a robot signing up for this account. You want human, since we signed up account for a robot. Alright, so next we want to go to open our Gmail to verify, okay? So let's open the Gmail. And I'm going to sign into my Gmail here. And once again, multitask. So I'm going to type in multitask activewear@gmail.com. Just like that. And next I'm going to click on next. And I'm going to type in the password for my Gmail account. And then I'm going to click next. And to save your password or not is up to you. I'm going to click not save, not now. Then Google want to verify if it's you, so it say, okay, go check your, in this case, your iPad or iPhone. So let me go check. So open my YouTube account on my phone to verify, and then I'm going to say, yes, it's me. And then it's gonna pop up some number and say verify you to sign in, something like that. And now I'm gonna go in to this right here, OpenAI, and verify your email. Click on that and go to verify email address, okay? All right, now you're gonna put your name in. So first name Rose, last name Willie, and then click on continue. And this is important, your phone number, okay? And by default, it's know where you are. For example, I'm in Albania, so I'm going to type in my phone number, 213-1780. Next, I'm going to click on send code, okay? And you should receive the code with your phone. Okay, so I'm getting the code right now. And I'm going to type in that code. That code is one-time use, okay? So 143107. Okay, so now it is verifying. All right, there you are. So ChatGPT. So right now, I'm going to click on next, and then click on done. So there, you're in here. Okay, so we have several commands here that we can use. Explain, quantum, computing, in simple term, all those so forth. However, if you look down here, you see these cursors flashing. Type in. Okay, let's say write a story about a little girl who has a cat to a 10-year-old reader, okay? And then I'm going to click on this send icon here to create. And there it is, guys. It's super cool. So ChatGPT right now is writing a story about a girl with a cat, okay? So you want to sit there and wait until the story finished, and then GPT will stop writing. So you can continue sit and read. And if you look at to the left right here, now it's cat become below, blah blah blah, all those stuff, and that is the title there for that story. Okay, so you can, after that, you can copy and just like use your left mouse like that, and then highlight it all the text. First of all, let's just read the first paragraph because it's amazing to read. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Emily. She had always wanted a pet, and when she turned 6, her parents finally agreed to get her a cat. Emily was overjoyed and named her new furry friend Fluffy. Can you see that? It's amazing. And this is just like I wrote it down like, a sentence or up to word. And then ChatGPT created this beautiful story for you. You can do with anything. Let's say you want to write a question about broom. Let's say write about broom, Australia. Why people should visit Broome, Australia. And let's try with that and see what ChatGPT come up with. Okay, let's click on that send button once again and see what it can create. So, however, I'm going to stop the writing from now, and you get an idea. Okay, it's write an amazing story, not only the story but also the city, any city that you want to get to know a little more about the city. And I'm going to select stop to stop the generate, and now it's stopped. And another command that's super useful here, you can actually copy and paste, okay, and paste your text in there and tell it to do. So for example, I'm going to, if look at right here, I'm going to type in correct grammar and make it easy to read, okay? And I'm going to press on colon. So next I'm gonna go get my text, okay? So I'm going to go to my note and then copy just a little text, and then let's say just that much, and then right click, select copy, and I'm going to switch back to my here, and I'm going to right click and then paste, and then I'm going to click on the once again the send icon and then see what it can do. Okay, so as you can see right now, this is amazing, right? If I compare my text, my earlier text, hello designista, blah, blah, blah. If I look at my text over here, so this is my text. I have designista video, blah, blah, blah. However, certain thing here that it's fixed. So for example, by the end of this video, you will able to use your external drive as a C drive. You see my C drive here, lowercase c drive, okay? That's just one example. If I come down here, it replaced with the C drive, which is a correct grammar that we would use the C drive with capitalized C and the instead of A, okay? So it's not only help you write a story, but at the same time help correct your text. So it is super useful for a person like me. I don't speak English as my first language. I can copy the entire text and bring it in here and say, hey, just like I just did. I just wrote there correct grammar and make it easier to read. And ChatGPT do that for you. How cool. And once again, if you want to really bring your text to somewhere else, just highlight the text and then right click and then select copy, and then I'm going to go to my note and I'm going to create one right here and then just right click and then paste, and there it is. Now your text, you already have correct grammar, easy to read. All you need to do is a couple of things here. So create the space between the text so it's easier to read, create the next paragraph and so on. Just like that. And there you have it. So this is a conclusion on how to sign up for a ChatGPT, as well as know how to use the ChatGPT for your work project, as well as if you have any school or writing that you need to have a grammar check. This is the best tool, guys. I hope this video is useful, and remember to follow me on Text for Me, and good luck with your assignment, guys.